Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is the inability to get or keep an erection firm enough to have sexual intercourse. It is also sometimes referred to as impotence. Occasional erectile dysfunction is not uncommon. Many men experience it during times of stress. However, frequent erectile dysfunction can be a sign of health problems that need treatment. It can also be a sign of emotional or relationship difficulties that may need to be addressed by a professional.
The prevalence of erectile dysfunction increases with age. Erectile dysfunction affects only 4% of men in their 50s but nearly 17% of men in their 60s. Furthermore, almost half of all men over the age of 75 will suffer from erectile dysfunction. Although the risk of erectile dysfunction increases with age, erectile dysfunction is not an inevitable consequence of getting older. It may be more difficult to get an erection as you age, but that does not necessarily mean you will develop erectile dysfunction. In general, the healthier a man is, the better his sexual function. Causes of erectile dysfunction are cardiovascular disease, diabetes, damage from cancer or surgery, injuries, stress, anxiety, relationship problems, drug use, alcohol use and smoking, stroke, spinal cord or back injury, multiple sclerosis, dementia, pelvic trauma, prostate surgery. Even with nerve sparing surgeries, it can take up to 24 months to regain normal sexual function. Priapism, nervous system tumor, epilepsy, diabetic neuropathy. These factors can work singly or in combination. Outlook for erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a treatable condition. There are a number of erectile dysfunction treatments available. The type of treatment generally depend on the underlying cause of erectile dysfunction. Treatments for erectile dysfunction range from counseling and lifestyle changes to drugs and surgery. If you suffer from erectile dysfunction, it is important to talk to your doctor. A doctor can help identify the cause of your erectile dysfunction and figure out the most appropriate treatment. Because it can be embarrassing to discuss erectile dysfunction, many men look for treatment options online. However, not all treatments are safe for all men. You should not self-prescribe for erectile dysfunction. In addition, many of the treatments available on the internet are scams. They may not help your erectile dysfunction and could damage your health. Symptoms of erectile dysfunction are trouble getting an erection, trouble keeping an erection, and reduced sexual desire. When to see a doctor? A family doctor is a good place to start when you have erectile problems. See your doctor if you have concerns about your erections or you're experiencing other sexual problems, including ejaculatory dysfunction such as premature or delayed ejaculation. If you have diabetes, heart disease or another known health condition that might be linked to erectile dysfunction. If you have other symptoms along with erectile dysfunction. Treatment for erectile dysfunction. Medications. Standard treatment for erectile dysfunction include lifestyle changes such as exercising, losing weight, stop smoking, curbing alcohol intake. Medications like Viagra, Cialis or Levitra increase blood flow to the penis, but they can also cause side effects including nasal congestion, headache, upset stomach, vision changes, facial flushing and dizziness. Important notice: men who have experienced a stroke or have uncontrolled diabetes or low blood pressure should not take erectile dysfunction medications. Testosterone replacement and erection-inducing injections are also available. Side effects may include acne, breast enlargement, increased urination, itching in the penis, scarring, and gum or mouth irritation. Non-drug treatments for erectile dysfunction include penile vacuum pumps, penile implants, and blood vessel surgery. A pump is used right before intercourse to pull blood into the penis. However, this method can cause bruising. Implants must be surgically inserted into the penis. They can then be inflated when necessary. Risks include those typically associated with surgery, such as infections. Yoga for erectile dysfunction. Ardha Uttarasana, Udara Karshanasana, Hastapada Uttanasana, Ardha Chandrasana. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, do click on the like button, share this video on Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.